Get inspired by seeing fellow heroes apply AHK in everyday wins. The shared stories alone make membership a no-brainer. Our club's Telegram crew is all about collaboration and friendships. See how others tackle AHK challenges and feel the group energy.
1,000 times a million, right? That's not a small number, all right?
Just just imagine three small loops inside each other.
Right. then you're multiplying 3 times. So it is an exponential problem. The more loops you have nested, the bigger the problem. So if you look at a code and they're saying, oh, this is slow, and you see that they have 4 loops nested, one inside the other, it doesn't mean that AUTOHOTKEY is slow. The way how they're doing it slow already. If you can think about the problem in a different way, you probably will speed it up without you having to nest 4 loops one inside another, each of them doing 1,000 things, right? Which is part of the issue with image search. You know, Joe, that we usually we don't like image search, but there's some loops that are unavoidable. You have to go through all the lines and you have to go through all the columns. If you have a monitor that has 3,250 pixels times 1,980, that is a loop that you cannot avoid if you're looking pixel by pixel, right? Well, you can avoid it if you just search part of the screen,
I disagree.
and not the whole thing, right?
Yeah, filtering, right? Like that's what I was just getting back to. Is you really have to look everywhere. Yeah,
right.
Or even, what's funny is this: is you might even say, "Hey, let me use a WinMove to move the program to us, so I know where it is."
Where it is.
Search, right?
Right.
So yeah, again, control. Think about the environment you're in and how can you control it? How can you get it where you can search less, right?
Yes. Yes. It says, Connie is saying, can we hear?
Members enjoy a sweet 25% discount on everything we offer, from in-depth courses to ready-made scripts and pro services. Explore our huge library of 466 plus hours of recorded AHK tutorials. Watch, rewind, and master tricks at your own pace.